If you're a bit of a cheese fiend like I am, you're going to love this recipe. And the best thing about it, there's only a few ingredients, but wow, does it pack a punch. So the hero here is buffalo mozzarella. This particular buffalo mozzarella is to die for. It's creamy, it's luscious, and when it melts, it's just incredible. So you'll need about 2 mozzarella balls for this recipe. And what I'm going to be doing is melting this mozzarella on lemon leaves. By doing that, we're going to be perfuming the mozzarella with lemon, and I'm going to serve it with anchovies. It's a fantastic little starter. In fact, I had this in Italy a few years ago, and I just still remember having it on a hot summer's night. It was just such a fantastic way to get the party started. So the mozzarella balls, just with a sharp knife, we're going to cut the mozzarella into rough rounds. Now, it doesn't have to be perfect because it will break apart, but just have a look at the texture inside the buffalo mozzarella. See how squishy and velvety it is? That is a good sign of a quality buffalo mozzarella. So after you've got your rounds, we essentially want to pair up these slices of buffalo mozzarella with the leaves. So my dear Uncle Colin has given me a large bush of lemon leaves from his tree. So find someone who has lemon leaves and ask if you can take a few branches off. So just with my scissors here, I'll take a few off and give them a good wash. I've washed these and just pat them dry. I've been preheating a grill, so we're going to place our mozzarella on top. See, that one just pairs up nicely. So it's almost like a little lemon leaf boat for our mozzarella to sit on. So another one. All right, now this goes straight onto the hot grill, and straight away you almost start to smell those lemon leaves starting to burn in a good way. So we'll pop them on. We'll just give them a few minutes until that mozzarella starts to warm through and melt. Okay, this happens quite quickly. You can see how it's melted, and you want to take it off when the leaves just start to curl up like that. You'll see it's mozzarella, so it's stringy and gooey, and just place them just very organically on the plate. The whole idea of this is to pick it up, maybe scoop it up with some bread. You don't eat the lemon leaf, it's just there to scent that gorgeous buffalo mozzarella, and just carefully lift it just so that mozzarella stays on its little lemon plate, if you like. And this is delicious as is, but if you want to take it to the next level, and this is how they served it in Tuscany when I was there, really good quality anchovies. You want to get the best you can get your hands on, a little pop of saltiness. I'm going to cut them in half. It's a gesture of anchovies. You don't need to add a whole one, just a little half one on top. And this just ties the whole thing together. If you don't like them, you can leave them out. I love anchovies, so I'll pop them on. Some lemon zest, just the smallest amount on the plate. And really good quality extra virgin olive oil. We'll just drizzle a little of that over the top. The last thing, freshly cracked pepper. That looks so delicious. Passing those around with a little cold Italian white wine, maybe Pinot Grigio, that is heaven. You know, sometimes the Italians, they just keep things simple. Quality ingredients, few ingredients. It's the best party starter. I'm gonna have one. The best combination right there. I love it.